Well, hey everyone, I am Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to discuss the field that is most desired by youngsters and it is projected to be one of the most in-demand job titles in coming decade. Today, we will be discovering details about career in investment banking. Yes, it is so amazing as I have worked in investment banking as UBS Financials, commonly known as Swiss Bank, for about 2.5 years before I became an entrepreneur and started my company to help students and parents with career and college admission. And I absolutely loved my work in investment banking. So here I am telling you everything about this amazing career. And in this video, I will talk about 5 key points. What is investment banking? What is the future scope and job opportunities in this career? What skills are required to be in investment banking? Roles and responsibilities of an investment banker? And then complete roadmap on how to build your career in investment banking. Now, if you're looking for a career with plenty of opportunities for growth, investment banking could be perfect career for you. But of course, every field has its own pros and cons. So let's break it down to understand investment banking. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Okay, let's understand what investment banking is. Investment banking has always been a special segment of banking operation that helps individuals or organizations raise capital and provide financial consulting services to them. Now, traditionally associated with corporate finance, such a bank might assist in raising financial capital by underwriting or acting as a client's agent in issuance of debt or equity securities. Now, investment bankers are the finance professionals who combine the financial service industry expertise, analytical prowess, and effective persuasive communication skills to support institutional clients in activities like capital raising, mergers and acquisitions, and others. Now, investment bankers lend their corporate finance services to all clients ranging from startups to established organizations, and in some cases, even governments as well. Now, whether they work for an investment bank or a banking division of an organization, they manage the financial growth and development of a business. Investment banker is a broad term that includes roles ranging from an entry-level investment banker to a high-level positions like executive vice president as well. Let's understand more about this career with the future scope, salary offer, top companies hiring for investment banking job roles. Let's understand why it is important. Now, investment banks help the broader financial markets and the economy by matching sellers and investors before adding liquidity to market. Now, the actions of the banks also make financial development more efficient and promote business growth, which in turn helps economy for sure. So, how about the future scope? Now, as per the Investment Banking Global Market Report of 2022, published by researchandmarkets.com, the global investment banking market is expected to grow from $138 billion in 2021 to $231 billion in 2026 at a compound annual growth rate of about 11%. Now, some of the potential career paths that you can get in investment banking will be investment banker analyst, financial planner, credit manager, accountant, investment banker, associates, financial advisors, account manager, management consultant, director investment banking, and many more. Now, companies that offer jobs in these roles are Bank of America, Barclays, Citigroup, Deutsche Bank, JP Morgan, and many more. When we talk about an average salary of an investment banking role these days in the job market for an entry level is about $90,000 a year as calculated last year by ZipRecruiter. This figure varies by city, skill, and experience for sure. Now, highly skilled investment bankers earn more than $200,000 per year. And the longer you are in the field, the more you can earn. And not just the salary. Investment banking can get you insane incentives as well. Yeah. Now that we know there's a huge growth in investment bankers' career, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities and an ideal workday in this profession. As far as skills are concerned, you need the following few for sure. The first one is definitely numerical ability or mathematics. Now, individuals who opt for a career as an investment banker are responsible for determining the overall worthiness of their potential corporations or to calculate financial reports of individual customers and firms. There involves a lot of accounting and mathematics. Possessing a high level of numeracy skills is a must for excelling in this field for sure. Next comes decision-making skills. Now, a lot of process of investment banking is dependent on making the right decisions at the right time. They are required to review the investment processes for their potential corporations or customers, along with managing the financial losses and gains for the firm. It is important to have decision-making skills in this profession. Next comes strong analytical and problem-solving skills. They are very essential, as you will be dealing with complex financial transactions and the overall environment. So make sure you work on that. Next is communication skills. Investment bankers always work with big teams, supervising, conducting, meeting, and presenting their projects in front of clients and customers. It is important for investment bankers to possess good spoken and written communication skills. That's a must. Next comes attention to detail. Now, being a profession with abundant mathematics, there is a big pile of numerical data that is to be handled by the investment bankers. They must possess accuracy in calculations, since a single mistake can result in a big hazard. And working under pressure is such an important skill for investment banking. Yes, anything can go wrong anytime, and you must be prepared to handle it. And working under pressure is topmost skill also. Now, other basic skills can include leadership skills, organizing skills, critical thinking, active learner, problem solving, attention to detail, patience, and creativity skills. Okay, now let's talk about roles and responsibilities of an investment banker. Now, some responsibilities of an investment banking include conduct strategic research and due diligence investigations, issue of debt and sell equity to raise capital, manage IPOs, which is initial public offerings, and private equity placements, discover and close potential investors, facilitate mergers and acquisitions, assist with corporate restructuring, analyze risk and offer financial advice, and prepare reports, models, and forecasts. Now, this role may also include creating and giving presentations for existing and prospective clients, both in terms of their portfolios, assist in preparing quarterly reports and letters to clients, manages all stages of client interaction from the sales pitch to the investment contract, conducts industry research and develops relationships to help acquire new clients, and contributes to team effort by accomplishing related results as needed. So overall, this role has a lot to do, but of course, not everything. You will probably learn step by step once you're in the investment banking. Now, since this role requires a lot of work, you need specific education and background. So let's just talk about how to acquire this skill and step-by-step roadmap of becoming investment banker. Now, if you're exploring this career option, make sure to get some knowledge of the field early through some online research, online courses, and build your skill set in the areas as mentioned in previous section. Make sure to develop those skills and successful in this field. And I'm happy you're watching this video. It will give you a lot of insight into investment banking. Being a trusted investment banker or a financial advisor takes a lot of preparation. Here's how to get started. The students are required to successfully complete high school examination with accounts, economics, finance, mathematics, engineering, or statistics. When at an undergraduate level, a student is absolutely sure that they want to pursue investment banking in the long run, which I highly doubt, because most of the school students are fascinated by these big movies about investment banking. But still, if you're interested to do that, you must earn a degree. Although you can obtain an associate degree for accounting, a bachelor's degree generally looks better to prospective employers. Now, degree in accounting or finance, taxation, other things will be very relevant. Even a business degree in accounting, finance can serve a purpose of providing general knowledge of the subjects. Now, I have attached some of my top recommendations for online courses that can help you get started with this. Check out the links in the description box as well. Now, given that it is one of the most popular fields at this time, a lot of universities are offering a lot of programs that can educate you to be an investment banker. Now, some such universities with world-class programs include, of course, University of Pennsylvania, New York University, University of Michigan, Harvard, Stanford, MIT. All the top universities providing finance programs will have this. And I really want you to understand that your roadmap towards a finance or the investment banking degree comes from your undergrad degree in business or finance or mathematics or engineering. That is really, really important. Now, moving on to postgraduates. Beginning into this career, I would advise getting an advanced degree too, like MBAs or MS in finance. They are great starters. Economics, corporate finance, derivatives, equity investments, alternative investment, financial reporting analysis, and equity approaches are among the subjects candidates should study a lot. And again, if you have not studied it, I have links in the description box so you can do it online. And top of this also, it's the CFA, which is Chartered Financial Analyst. A CFA credential can help you advance your career as an investment banker. Now, in different countries, the certifications are different for such processes. Now, for professionals, if you are in the similar field and want to make a switch, gain some knowledge through smaller internships or job experiences and understand the field and general responsibilities. Now, it is not easy to switch to investment banking if you come from a different background, but still, you don't want to think like you can't. Slowly and steadily, you can build your background. Make sure to have a basics of mathematics, and if you can do a master's degree related to finance and investment banking, that'll be very, very helpful for you. Now, another option for professional investment bankers can also opt for master's or PhD courses in related field. Candidates can conduct research in the field of investment and related fields as well. They can also publish their thesis for the aspiration. They can also publish their thesis for the aspirants who want to become an investment banker as well. So there are a lot of areas and a lot of options, but make sure your crude skills will remain mathematics, finance, engineering, business. All these are very, very crucial skills for you. So that's it, guys. An investment banking career path is an ever-changing and evolving process. But what never changes is the career path is a need to keep learning and putting the new knowledge to use non-stop. And investment banking is really, really amazing and good career. I hope you've liked this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. I will see you very shortly. Make sure to like this and share this video with your friends and family. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.